Well, it's December 15th, about probably 10:30 in the morning or so. We're headed to last field of corn. So hopefully we can get her off today. We got the dryer going at my brother's. He's watching that right now. We only got 2 boxes. Well, actually we got 3 boxes we can jump into, but we gotta leave one empty there at his place to be able to dump the dryer into. Put it into the bin, otherwise we kind of stranded. So really we only got 2 boxes that we can load up right now. See, if I have to, we can load up the combine, and we might have to try another load yet today to get enough boxes to get the corn off today. But definitely want to try and get it off today if we can. Get it done, and then we just got to finish drying it. So hopefully we'll see. Rolling up to the state highway. Usually I take the back roads all the way there, but side roads are so icy, I'd rather just avoid them if I can. And during this time of year they get icy, so snow and everything, so we'll stick to the state routes now. So, alright, we'll see what happens. Well, we're combining the last field. It's not coming off very good at all. This field was mudded in, and also deer damage like we've never really seen before. The deer or birds, I don't know. It's hard to tell, but just pulling 2 boxes to the field right now, and I'm gonna jump back in the combine and keep going. Probably can't see very well, but hopefully get it off. We almost got 1 dryer load done. Brother's gonna start another one. So it's definitely been quite a year. It'll be nice when it's done, that's for sure. Nice when we get all the corn off, all the dried and everything put away. Call it a year. Like I said, this field was mudded in this year. It was wet planting, and it was getting late. We wanted to finish, and then the deer ended up. Population wasn't there, and then the deer ended up hitting it pretty good. So as you can tell, it's rough. So we'll see how it does. But as of right now, it ain't doing too hot. So I guess I better turn these around. But we'll get it off, get done here. Got all these ruts here on the headlands for me. I was planting it. I always, like I said, plant the headlands first, and that way I don't overplant as much. It's so rough and wet planting that I guess I can turn the flashers off on the combine. She didn't plant the best, but we'll get her off and 2 boxes. More corn to combine still. Not the best. A lot of low spots. Every little valley got flooded out. And not much corn there, so. But oh well. All right, I'll try and get a combine video, and hopefully we can get this thing done. Talk to you guys later. This is always fun trying to combine and hold a phone at the same time. So sorry if the video wasn't the best here. But we're rolling up on a wet spot here. You can see no corn. Got drowned out all the way through there. Up on a ridge and then back down to a low spot where it wet again. So a combination of basically being mudded in, which is the way this spring went. The way this whole year's gone, it's just been a year from hell. Sorry about the language, but that's basically it. It's been quite a year. Definitely one to either remember or try and forget, one of the two. But we'll get through her and do it all again next year, I guess. Back here, this back part of the field here, the deer just got it tore up so bad that it's crazy. I don't know. This field, I think we should almost, there's a possibility it might seep this field down into hay this year. I mean, we've never had deer damage this bad in this field, but it's definitely probably don't help for how late it is. Here, getting the corn off, but yeah, this is what it is, I guess. So, but another wet spot here where she drowned it out. Like I said, sorry about the not being a good video. It's hard to do with one hand, but try and get some action. Anyways, so we'll see if we get her off. I'll let you guys know. So, alright, see ya. Well, that's it. 2019 harvest is over with. Thank goodness. It's been a rough one. Dump this hopper load and take the combine home. And get her put away. My brother should have a dryer load going right now. and there'll be one dryer load left to dry, which we'll do this week sometime. Door shut. Yeah. There we go. Last box of the year. Oh man, what a year. Glad we got her all off, and could have been worse, but it could have been better too. So can't complain too bad, I guess. There's some people that still got their still got corn out. There's a lot of people around here that still got corn out yet, and at least we're able to get it all off. Make sure I don't run the head into anything. So at least that's done. Should have one more dryer load to do, and then get everything kind of cleaned up, put away for the year. Finally, hopefully be done before Christmas. Be nice. She's pretty much emptied. Up, get her to clean out. Actually, probably should. There's still some down in the corners of the hopper. I don't know if you can see it right there's. I think I'm gonna shut her down and jump up in there and clean that out. Good. You guys probably know, but this is my uncle's combine. He's actually still got corn to do yet. Probably 20 acres, maybe 18, 15, 20 acres. It was planted pretty late. I don't honestly know if there's much there to do, but he's talking about combining it. So probably ain't that big a deal if we don't, clean that out of the hopper, but probably should just have it clean for him when we take it back. So I'll jump up there and do that, and take this thing home. It's now 2 o'clock. Is that, I think, last time I looked? So December 15th, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Finally finished 2019's harvest, fall harvest. So definitely some stuff I want to do to this field. I would like to just seed this field down into hay. Too much deer pressure on here, low spots, just a pain kind of to farm. We've been farming this field, one of the first fields we got, probably since since we started farming on our own anyways, so 2015. 5 years, I guess. I'd like to put it into hay. I think it'd be best. I don't know, we'll see. Talk it over with my brother and see what we got. So, alrighty, well, I'm done harvesting corn, and should be pretty much it. Probably, maybe I'll make a video of drying the last load, but should be it for crop videos for the year probably. And I'll have, of course, cattle stuff, videos, stuff like that. So try and make some videos through the winter time, and keep you guys updated on how the cattle are doing and everything else. So we'll try and keep them interesting, I guess. So thanks for all the new subscribers this year. I have to even look and see. I think when I started making videos was probably, I was doing first cutting hay, it's probably July. I'd have to go back and look, but I think I got 49 subscribers, so that's pretty good. I got some good shout outs from some people, and thanks for all them, and keep you guys updated on how things go around the farm. So alrighty, we'll talk to you guys later. Well, I don't know how much you can hear me, but we're done. Done drying corn and everything. Brother's cleaning up the dryer over there, and I'm unloading the last box. So Ben's got quite a jag in her. So, yeah, nice to be done. It's now 6:45, so we should be done cleaning up and everything here shortly, and be done with harvest completely. So, alrighty, well, if you guys like the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.